Hello, welcome to Kyoritsu. This is our unique product manufactured in Kyoritsu Electric India. So what we are showcasing is this is our Cobot system and this is our SCARA system, which are we are using for screwing system and dispensing system. We can use these systems for manufacturing automatic lines or semi-automatic lines or individual station systems also. So here is a vision system, 100% error-proofing system. So you can see the results in which we are using present, not present, orientation checking. We can also prepare the bomb systems from this system, and this is a customized system totally. So as per the customer RFQ or any special requirements, we can incorporate any another systems also like soldering, conformal coating. We can do all these things with this system. So please do visit.